Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Nerula, working as a principal at Shamford Futuristic K-12 School, Aurea. As promised, I am here with all of you, going to share small 15 to 20-minute tutorials with all of you related to amazing tools that can help you make your classes engaging, enriching, and exciting. Today I'm going to talk about an amazing vocabulary building tool. That is always a challenge for all of us being teachers. What do we do? In our classes, when we take our literature classes or maybe any of sciences, social sciences, when we are talking in our class, any new word, when the children they come across, obviously it is really like that when one by one progression is there in class 2, 3, 4, when they move from one class to another, they get to know about number of words. But the thing is they are not able to use those words in the daily life. They learn one word, they use that particular word only. So how come they increase their vocabulary? As in when they're going to read another book, again, they have to be there with the dictionary. They have to underline the words. They have to find the meaning. That reduces their speed of reading as well. So here I'm coming up with a wonderful strategy, the tool that I've explored a few days ago only, and I would like to share that tool with all of you. This amazing vocabulary building tool. Through this tool, we will be able to know about the words that are linked to each other. In a classroom, what do? We introduce one word. The children, they learn the meaning. They just frame the sentence. What else we do? Either we'll be giving the synonym to the students, we give antonym to the students, and they'll be able to write that. One word, two word, three word, that's it, gone. So they won't be able to relate it with another word. So here you go. In my next slide, here on your screen is the website link, https visuwords.com. Visual visual words. It will be showing graphic organizer, the words that are linked to each other. So when you will be clicking on this, going to the address bar of your browser and you will be writing visuwords.com, this screen will come on your screen. This page will appear, Visuwords, and as and when you will be typing any word in this address bar, the space is there and beautiful concept mapping will be appearing on the screen. As you can see right now, I have typed the word healthy, and related to the healthy word, so many other words that are related to each other, they are appearing on the screen. So I'm going to show you, giving you a practical experience of this visuwords.com. Just wait and you're going to enjoy it in the next slide. Here it is. https visuwords.com. Yeah, here you go. Here's a browser. And I'm going to type here the website link that I have already shared with you all. www.visuwords.com. Press enter. You will have this screen in front of you. Visual dictionary, visual thesaurus, and interactive words. So how come you will be exploring now? Come here, you will get this bar over here at top. Type any of the word. It can be a noun, it can be a verb, adverb, or adjective. Let us try with an adjectives. I'm writing here beautiful and just has to press enter. See how beautifully it is coming on the screen. All yellow bubbles, they have adjectives in them. As and when you point at any one bubble, you will get the meaning of that particular word that is there in the bubble. So here in blue color, noun is shown. This is our word beautiful that we have searched. So how come it is related to in other words? It is beautiful, of weather, highly enjoyable, how we can use it in different sentences. Now, beautifully, attractively, these are the adverbs. So written in orange bubble. Pleasing, picturesque, gorgeous, so bony, comely, beauteous, deshi. Now here, something written in red, so that is antonym, opposite words. Ugly, exquisite, beauty, graceful. Now, for your reference, you may also check it out. You may guide to your students. Like here are different attributes on this left hand side, different symbols. As we have a key in a map, they'll be able to see how these words are related to each other. So this is really very beautiful. You can drag it, move it from one place to another if you are not able to see your wow. This is just amazing. The children, they're going to love it and will have number of words related to each other, and this is how they're going to increase their vocabulary and use them in various kinds of sentences. So point at each word and you will be able to get the meaning of that particular word. Let us try it with an adverb now. Any adverb. Okay, let me write here gracefully. See how beautifully a mind map is coming in front of us. Gracefully, this is the word that we have searched now. So gracefully is adverb, that's why it's in orange bubble. Now here in the yellow one is adjective. When we have to use this word as adjective, we have to use it as graceless, unpleasing. This is antonym, gracelessly, antonym. That's why it is having a red line over here. So here you go. You can drag it if you are not able to see it, if it is not able to fit on the screen. So graciously, gracefully, and this is elegant, graceful, refined. So gracious, and here is a red line. Ungraciously, ungracefully, gracelessly. These are the antonyms. Now here, blue dotted line. This shows also C, means you need to check out beautiful also. It is also related to this graceful. The word is directly related to that, and you will be able to get more number of words related to it. Now just drag it down over here. Let's see. Awkward, red line. This is antonym. Elegant, gainly, fluent. How come we have to use these words? Everything, all the details are given over here. So I would suggest, please do explore it. Won't take you much time. As I already promised, won't be making my recordings more than 15 to 20 minutes. Please use it, explore it, and give wonderful exposure to your students and make your classes enriching, exciting, and engaging. Thank you. Thank you all of you for listening to me, and wishing you all the very best for your upcoming classes. Please give the very best to your students. We all are working for the society. We are working for a noble cause. Teachers change lives. Let's change lives. Thank you all of you.